Agay!
Whoa. That was a big one.
Look, she's smiling. Look.
Oh, she's like, I just pooped.
I just poop. It feels great.
Yeah, it feels good, huh?
I just poop. It feels great. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa base. Ibang base po ito. Pinuntahan namin. Medyo mas malapit siya sa amin, sa bahay namin, no? And meron kaming pedia appointment ngayon. Maaga kami umalis kasi nga madalas every morning pag pagpasukan nila traffic medyo backed up sa sa gate, kaya maaga kami umalis ni Travis. Pero ngayon hindi siya masyadong busy, pero at least nandito na kami, 'di ba? Kahit mag-wait na lang kami ng mga ilang minuto. So siguro what time is it now, babe?
It's 7:25.
7:25, tapos appointment namin alas 8. Nandito si Ellie. Tulog na tulog pa din. Tulog na tulog si Ellie. Nakakatuwa guys. Dati ang bag ko lang. Yung bag ko lang talaga, mga gamit ko, mga anik-anik. Ngayon, diaper bag na yung dala-dala ko. Si Ellie. Tulog na naman siya. Dito na kami sa loob guys. Nag-fill up lang si Travis. Nag-check. Ano ba tawag yan? Nag-check-in na kami saglit. Tapos mag-aantay na tawagin nila. After namin mag-fill up. Kasi maaga pa eh. Alas 8 talaga yung namin, yung appointment namin. Malamig ngayon. Akala ko hindi malamig. Naulan-ulan kasi. Tulog pa din si Ellie. Sarap talaga yung tulog niya pag nasa labas kami at pag nasa stroller siya. Ito yung tsura ng nila. Ang waiting area.
Any concerns today?
About her
Oh.
Yeah.
Actually, what is it called?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna put tongue.
Yeah.
Skin?
Yeah.
I don't know. She'll ask us about it.
Mm-hmm.
Circle any in the family.
Are they gonna ask about her DOD number?
Hey, Minnie, did your child receive hepatitis B vaccine? No. Who does the child live with? Parents.
Grabe, nakakatamad mag-ayos ng buhok. Lalo't mahaba na yung buhok ko ngayon guys. Wala talaga akong time magpagupit. Siya daw magugupit ng buhok ko, kaso we'll see. Kasi yung nakaraan siya nagupit ng
You
buhok.
were 39 weeks, 2 days?
Yeah, 39 weeks, 2 days. Nung nanganak ako. Galing talaga ni Daddy. Napaka-hands-on. Gusto niya talaga sumama sa appointment ni Ellie. Wala rin naman kasi siyang pasok. Diba nga nakalib siya?
Minutes per breastfeed, I would say, I'm just gonna put 15.
Mm-hmm. She's gaining weight.
Yeah, both of us. Parents?
I know.
8 pounds.
There's no siblings, I know that.
No.
Pets?
Yes.
Yeah, we do have pets.
Okay, how many dogs?
One.
Just one.
You need to have 2.
I know.
Right.
I have 2 dogs.
I mean,
I used to have 1, but it's more fun with 2 dogs because
What kind of dog you
I
have?
have a golden doodle and a
Oh my gosh, they're cute.
I like the golden doodles.
Yeah.
We have a Great Pyrenees.
Lumipat na naman kami ng room guys. Sa ibang room na naman kami. Alright, chinek nila yung... May chinek siya dito kanina. Pulse rate ni baby. Girl, 8 pounds ka na.
She's growing.
Wow, that was quick. 8 pounds.
Almost 21. Just think, babe, 2046. She'll be 21 years old.
Oh my gosh, it looks so dark in here. Agay!
Whoa. That was a big one. That was big.
Kaya pala.
She literally we just changed her.
Kakapalit lang namin ng daddy
I'm
mo.
telling you. She's like a poop queen.
Nagtain na.
I can't wait till she's older. I'm
Nagtain
gonna
ka
tell
na naman.
everybody.
Oh no.
I'll tell everybody. You used to. We got it on video
Oh,
too.
God.
You could probably hear that in like HD
Oh, yeah.
audio. HD audio. Poop master.
Grabe ka, Ellie. Oh, gutom na naman. Mag-wait lang tayo saglit, no? Unti na lang po. Gutom na naman siya, oh. Hi, baby. I know. You poop, so it means you're hungry again.
She's gonna be.
Hi, baby.
Eliana, what are you doing? Her jaundice is almost gone.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing, that little Filipino nose?
Look, she's smiling. Look.
Oh, she's like, I just pooped.
I just poop. It feels great.
Yeah, I feel good, huh?
I just pooped. It feels
I
great.
feel good.
Makulit ka din ha, gaya ng daddy mo ha. It feels good.
Mama. Mama.
It feels good. Naglalaroan ka ng daddy mo ha.
Yeah.
Yay! Feels good, you poop.
What are you doing?
Oh yeah.
Tickle.
Oh yeah. She's
Again?
pushing. She's pushing still. Yan na.
Oh.
Magmuryot
She was
na.
She was doing that like all night. She's like,
Magmumuryot na. Kay gutom na.
Very good. Nice and soft.
and her umbilical cord fell
I
off
see that. Her head in both directions really well.
all the time.
Yeah.
Good. So she's not limited in one position, right?
No.
Very good. She looks great.
Yes, thank
Okay, we're done.
Ta-da!
We're done.
Ta-da!
She said she have hazelnut color, eye color, right?
Wow, look at you, just sit right up.
Oh, tignan mo, gustong-gusto niya talaga inaangat yung ulo niya. Tulog na naman si Madam. Tulog na naman si... Ay, sus! Bless you. Bless you.
What are you doing? What are you doing in here? What are you doing? Let me get your leg. Okay, I got it. I got it. Look at that. Yeah, we got you all strapped in. Like you're, are you like Rocket Man? Rocket Girl? There you go. Oh,
Muryot na.
I know it sucks being in here.
I'm glad all of her ano is good. Her weight, she gained weight.
Just 8 pounds.
Her jaundice level
is
is
very low.
low.
Okay. I'm gonna strap this down now. Hang on, ready? Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. I gotta make sure that you're not going nowhere.
Right? Hi guys! So tapos na yung appointment namin ngayong araw para kay Ellie. And nakakatuwa, may madaming Pilipina dito. So nakakatuwa kasi makikita mo, ang babait nila, no? Asikasuhin ka talaga nila. And yun, onting chika. Alam mo naman tayo, basta pag Pilipino, diba? Pilipino makausap namin. Chika talaga. So, babalik kami after 2 months na after 2 months ng ano namin, mayroon na naman kaming appointment para kay Ellie. And nakakatuwa kasi okay yung ano niya ngayon, yung check-up niya. Nag-gain siya ng weight. Tapos yung jaundice level niya mababa na, ganun. Kasi normal yun sa tawag nito sa bata kapag bagong panganak. Alam mo yung parang naninilaw, di ba? So, mayroong iba na sobrang taas ng jaundice level nila bago yung after mo manganak. Kasi newborn pa, di ba? Tapos mga ilang weeks, mataas pa din. Pero buti sa kanya, mababa na, ganun. Kasi pinapaarawan ko rin siya di ba, vitamin D. Tapos nagtitake din siya ng vitamin D na tawag niyan, yung parang drops, yun. Kapag ka nagpapadede ako, inaano ni Travis, dinadrop niya. Ayun guys, pupunta muna kami. Dadaan lang kami saglit sa NEX. May titignan lang kami. No? Nandito na rin naman kami sa loob ng base. And 9 pa sila mag-open. So 8:40 pa lang ngayon. And mag-wait na lang kami sa Starbucks. Tulog na tulog pa rin si Ellie. Kanina nagmuryot siya. Tapos ang ginawa ng daddy niya, nag-ikot-ikot sila dun sa loob ng ng clinic. Tapos naghinto siya. Tawan-tawa yung mga tao doon, sabi nila, ay naalala ko ganyan din ginawa ko sa anak ko. Minsan nga nilalagay pa daw nila sa sasakyan para lang daw talaga huminto. Tapos yung alis sila, para lang daw yung, kasi gusto talaga ng baby, yung mauuga-uga sila. Tapos alam nila, ewan ko, para matalino din talaga sila, no? Pag alam nila pag nasa sasakyan sila, pag alam nila yung medyo, yung gusto nila yung bumpy, tapos maandar, hinto talaga sila. So, ayun guys, yun lang yung vlog natin for today. And thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!